Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 3.1. We will start exercise 3.1, chapter 3, understanding quadrilaterals. Now here are some figures are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to classify each of the following, and the questions and the topics are types of the polygons are given here. Which one is simple curve, which one is closed curve, which one is polygon, which one is convex polygon, and which one is concave polygon. So you have to first you remember yesterday's introductional part. There we have already discussed about simple curve. So which one we can say as simple curve? We can say one, 2, 5, 6 and 7. See why they are simple curve. 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. 1, it is a simple curve because you can draw this one without lifting the pen, and there is no intersection of the lines also. 1, 2, 5. Here it is, you if you draw this you have to lift the pencil. How you will lift the pencil? First for this circle and for second one you need to lift the pencil. That's why it is not a simple curve. So this one also intersection points are there. This is a simple curve. 5, then 6, then 7. So these are simple curve. Now simple closed curve, same only, they are simple closed also. 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. They are simple curve as well as closed curve. 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. Next one, polygon. You know that polygon is the simple curve which is made up of line segments. So which one we can say as polygon? This one is a polygon and this one is a polygon. So we can say 1 and 2 are the two figures which you can give the name as polygon, because these two are made up of line segments and no intersection also there. So they are polygon. Convex polygon, do you remember? All the diagonals are inside. If these two are polygon, and convex polygon, that means all the diagonals, this one is a diagonal and this one another diagonal, this one is one diagonal and this one is another diagonal. Both the diagonals are inside the figure, given figure. So this is a convex polygon. But in this polygon you can see that this diagonal will be outside. So it is not a convex polygon. It can be a concave polygon. So and one is a concave polygon. Understood? Now come to the next question. Now, how many diagonals does each of the following have? It is a convex quadrilateral. See, convex quadrilateral, it is a rectangle or parallelogram, whatever you can say. Say it is ABCD, the name of this. Now, you know that when we will draw the diagonal, we will not take the consecutive vertices. Only the non-consecutive vertices will be the line segment joining the non-consecutive vertices is the diagonal. So for point A, for vertex A, AC is the only diagonal. So the diagonal is AC. And for the vertex B, A and C are consecutive vertices. So only D is non-consecutive. So this is another one. So BD is the another diagonal. BD is the another diagonal. So how many diagonals you can draw here? Two diagonals. Now we have a formula to find the number of diagonals. So that when you are using by when you are finding the number of diagonals by using formula, then you can use this number of diagonals is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2, where n is the number of side. So when it is for the quadrilateral, so verify it. For quadrilateral has 4 sides. N is equal to 4 in a quadrilateral. So you will use this formula 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2, 4 minus 3 by 2, so 4 minus 3 into 1 by 2, cancel it, you will get 2. So number of diagonal 2, and you can see that number of diagonals is 2 in a convex polygon. So number of diagonals 2. Come to the next diagram, a regular hexagon. What do you mean by regular hexagon? Regular hexagon means all the sides are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let all these sides are equal in length. Then we can say that it is a regular hexagon. Now, how many diagonals you can draw? As the number of sides in a regular hexagon, number of sides here 6. By using, therefore, number of diagonals in a hexagon equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. So n is 6 here. 6 into 6 minus 3 by 2, that is 6 into 3 by 2, cancel it, equal to 9. So how many diagonals you can draw in a regular hexagon, or in a ordinary hexagon also, number of diagonal will be 9. Now in a triangle, say it is a triangle, A, B, C is a triangle, and according to the law of drawing diagonal, you know that we have to draw the line segment with the non-consecutive side. But think for vertex B, A is the consecutive vertex and C is also a consecutive vertex. So no diagonal we can draw from B, similarly not from A, and similarly not from C. So how many diagonals are there in a triangle? There is no diagonals. No diagonals. Understood? Maybe few things we have discussed today, but it's very important, so all of you practice this. Thank you, students.